Hey Doc, I'm about to log in. I'm going to record my screen and show you. So I actually signed in on mine. So let me log out. Okay, now that I've logged out, let me log in under your name. When we come in, of course, go to Student Learning and Licensure. Alright, so Seminar in Social Science. I don't actually see your thing posted. And it's right here. So let me go back. Yeah, so here we are in progress. And of course, if you just click on your section, once you click on your section, you will see the activities, formative and summative. So, they have, closed already. If you need me to edit it, or if you need to edit it, you can always just click this button on your end. And this is the link. You'll be able to just hit link, hit copy link, and you'll be able to take it to your Moodle and upload it in that way as well. And so this is for Seminar in Social Science. What is that? 500, I believe. Then Seminar in Louisiana is the same, summative and formative. This is what, 503, I believe. Go back. And this is your other one, the readings and problems. So I had the formative question for it, but that's what I was asking you in your email. Did you want me to also post a summative question and assignment for this course as well? So I hope this kind of clears it up somewhat. So just give me a call if you have any other questions.